Did you know you can create animated videos like this? In a bustling city where dreams danced on the edge of reality, there lived a boy named Jack. Abandoned at birth, he was left on the steps of an old orphanage, wrapped in a tattered blanket. The matron, a stern but kind-hearted woman named Mrs. Hargrove, took him in, raising him amidst the chaos of other forgotten children. Jack learned to fend and make money from them on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, without even showing your face. This channel is making thousands of dollars just from these simple videos. And here's another channel doing the exact same thing. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. No complex tools, and you don't need any editing skills. Imagine turning simple text into amazing videos in minutes using a single AI tool that I'm about to reveal to you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to unlock the full potential of this tool. Stick with me because I'm about to share a secret feature. It's going to blow your mind. Let's dive right in.
If you are using your mobile phone, either iPhone or Android, or if you are using your laptop, you can also access this particular AI tool called Novi AI. I'm going to show you how to install this. Click on the link under this video description or in the comment section of this video, and it's going to take you to this particular interface. Click on try it free. And when the app is done downloading, you will go to your file, your download folder. So right click on it, and from here you click on run as administrator, and this app is going to be installed on your laptop. If you are using your mobile phone for this, then simply go to your Play Store, and in the search area here you're going to type in Novi AI. This is the particular app we are going for. Look at the app logo here. From here, tap on install to install this app to your mobile phone. For those using laptop, after downloading the app, then you open the app, and here is the app interface. Then from here you can click on create new video, and from here you can enter the script you want to use for your video. If you don't have a script, I want this app to generate a script for you, then you can come over to the right hand side here where you see AI story creation. You can select your language. From here you select your story style, then you write the main character of your story. Is optional, but it's best for you to put the main character of your story. Then from here you just enter the brief description of your story into this box, then you click on generate, and it's going to generate that for you. That's for those using laptop. Since most of you will be using mobile phone, then let's use the mobile version of this app. But the process is the same. Either you're using the mobile app or you're using the Windows app. When the app has been installed on your device, then click on open to open the app. Once you open the app, you're going to see something like this. What you have to do is to come down here, click on let's get started. Now you need to sign in your account before you start using this particular app. So you come down here, click on mine, click on sign in. If you have an account before, then you click on sign in with Google, or you can either use this to create an account. After signing in, if you scroll down, you can see these are other videos that people have already generated using this particular app. Let's take a look at this particular video.
In a picturesque seaside village, there lived a boy named Juan. He loved spending his afternoons playing on the golden sands, watching the waves crash against the shore.
So now, for us to create our video from the scratch, then you need to come over here to input what you want to create this video about. So you can either bring in a script and paste it inside this box to start your creation, or you can use the AI writing available down here. If you click on this AI writing, they are going to ask you some few questions which we are going to answer right now. So from here you're going to enter the language, then from here you're going to select the story style, then here you are going to select the main character, which is optional. Here you're going to give a brief description of your story, which is also optional. I'm going to answer this question right now. So from here I'll select the language which I'm using, which is English. Then I'll select the story style. So for this story style, I want this story to be about adventure. So I'm going to come down here, the main character of this story, so we can give it a name. So let's say the main character of this story should be Jack. Then after that, you come down here, give a brief description of the story. So for this story, I'm going to say Jack was abandoned by his parent, but he later became a millionaire. So this is the brief description of my story. So after inputting your description and answering this question just like I've demonstrated, then you need to come down here and click on create, which consume 5 coins. So from here you can see that the AI writing on this website is very effective, and it has generated a complete story for me. So if I'm satisfied with this story, I can go down here and click on apply. But if I'm not satisfied with this story, I can edit this story by myself, or I can go ahead to click on regenerate, and it's going to regenerate another story for me. So since I'm satisfied with this story, I'm going to click on apply, and that script is going to be inputted into your script area here. So from here I can use this to pick a style that I want to use for my story. So you can select, we have modern style, MAGA style, we have pizza style, we have sorcery style. So anyone you want to choose from these available styles, you can also pick from. So for this particular style, I'm going to choose pizza style, like a cartoon kind of story. So after that is been selected, then you go ahead to click on curate to start your curation. So from here you can see this is our characters. This is Jack, this is his mother, and this is another character. For this particular story, this app generated 3 characters for me. So what we need to do now is to change our video size, and to change our video size we are going to use this particular option to change this video size. We have other sizes available here. We have the 4x3, 16x9, 3x4, we have 1x1, and we have 9x16. If you are using the 16x9, this is the YouTube landscape size video. Then if you are using 9x16, is for YouTube short, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. So anyone you want to go for, then you select that. For this you are going to be using the 16x9, as I'm going for YouTube landscape video. So once that is selected, you tap on OK. Then from here we have 2 modes available in our curation. We have the standard mode, which takes lesser coins, and then we have the dynamic advanced mode. If you use the dynamic advanced mode, it's going to animate each of your images, but if you use the standard mode, it's going to give you a static image. It's not going to animate your images. So what I'm going to be using here is the dynamic advanced mode, because I want to animate my images so that I will have a real feeling in my video. After some few minutes, here is our video. From here you can play your videos to see how the video looks like.
In a bustling city where dreams danced on the edge of reality, there lived a boy named Jack. Abandoned at birth, he was left on the steps of an old orphanage, wrapped in a tattered blanket. The matron, a stern but kind-hearted woman named Mrs.
You can see how cool the animation is. You can see how realistic that animation is, but there are some few things you can add to your video to make it more appealing. Now you can add effects. Here we have effects. So if you want to add effects, simply tap on effect. These are several effects that you can add to your video. If you select the first effect, which is called angel effect, if you select that effect is going to be added to our first image. Now we are going to just go back and play this video so that you can see how this effect works.
In a bustling city where dreams danced on the edge of reality.
So you can see the overlay showing on our video. If you like that effect and you want to apply it all through your video, then you simply come down here and click on apply to all, and that effect is going to be applied to all your video. If you want to adjust the effect, then you can tap on this adjust, and when you tap on here, you are going to see the opacity. You can simply bring down the opacity to any level you want it to be. Then after that you tap on the OK. But if you don't like that effect and you want to use another effect, then you can check through. There are so many effects available here that you can pick from. If you go to your right hand side, we have this other effect. If you apply this effect, it's going to be applied to your video also. So you can see this particular effect has been applied. Let's play this video.
There lived a boy named Jack.
So that is what this effect is being used for. Now if you are satisfied with that effect, then the next thing we need to talk about now is the voices. If you don't like the AI voice playing under this video, then you can use any of the voice available here. These are the voice available. If you tap on more, you will see a good number of voices available here. So any voice you want to use, then you can tap on it to listen to how it sounds like. So if I select this first voice,
so is cheerfulness or a good temper. The more it is spent, the more remains.
so you can see how that voice sounds like. If I select the next one,
I'm not interested in age. People who tell me their age are silly. You're as old as you feel.
so that's another voice. Let's just listen to a female voice.
Hi, I'm Amelia, a super high quality English voice. I love to read, seriously.
So any of this voice, you can just play it to see how the voice sounds like. Anyone you're satisfied, then you can select and then you go with that. There are also different categories here. We have characters, we have social media. If you scroll to your right, then you can see other categories available here. If you want to select characters, then these are voices available under character. Let's just listen to how one of these voice sounds like.
Government of the people, by the people.
So that's how that voice sounds like. If you tap on storytelling, these are other voices under storytelling. And anyone you're satisfied with, then you can select it and then you tap on this OK button and voice will be selected. Then the next thing you can add to this is background music. If you tap on background music, these are background music available here. If you want to listen to how it sounds like, then you can select one of them. So this is how this particular background music sounds like. Here, if you tap on adjust, you'll be able to adjust the volume to any length you want to be. You can reduce the volume down like that so that it doesn't disturb your voice over under your video. Now the next one is text. If you tap on text at the downside here, this text controls what shows on your video, which is the text showing over your video. If you come down here, select any of these text, you're going to see how it changes. So if I select this other text, so you can see this text changes down there. If I go ahead and select this next text, you can see how this text changed there. If you play this video
In a bustling city where dreams danced on
you can see the effect of the text. So you can scroll to your right. There are available number of text that you can select to use over your video. So anyone you like, then you can select it. Once you select it, if you want to adjust the text, simply tap on adjust, and from here you can adjust the font size to any size you want it to be. And once it's been done, you tap on OK and your text will be selected, and now your video is ready to be exported. Then if you are satisfied with everything, then you go up here and tap on this export option. Once you tap on this export option, you'll be able to give your video a name. So for this video, let's call it Jack, and once it's been named, then you can tap on the export. So you can export this as video, or you can also export the AI images also. Now we are going to export as video, and once you export as video, it's going to be exported to your device. The app gives you free coins every day that you sign in to this app. So if you exhaust your coin, you can simply go up here, tap on this coin area. When you tap on that place, you'll be able to purchase any coin you want to use. Comparing to other websites I've tested out, this particular website is more affordable to use. Do well to check in the video description and also the comment section of this video, and you're going to see the link to download this app onto your device. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this particular app in the comment section of this video. I'll be waiting for you to hear what you think about this app. And don't forget to like this video to help this channel grow. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in my next video.